Hey CC Squad, it's me CC, and this is my very first makeup tutorial, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more. So as you can tell, I've already put the makeup on. My camera kind of gave out, so I'll just tell you what you need. So first you need, first of all for your lips, you need Cherry Carmex. It doesn't really matter because it's clear. So just put that on first so it can be a little shinier. And then you need to put on Ultra Beauty, the pink Ultra Beauty Shiny Sheer. And then you need, what's it called? Lancome Paris. So just this brand. Then it says High Definition Mascara. So just put this on. And then you need e.l.f. I'll show you guys which one it is. It's kind of, okay. So you need this one. And then for eyeshadow, you're just going to put on, this one for your eyeshadow. So just put that one on. And then you need a Beauty Gems 8-piece collection kit, makeup kit. So then when you open it up and go to the bronzers, you're going to need to put the middle one right here all over your face. So this is called the Shiny Sheer makeup tutorial. In my next makeup tutorial, I will show you guys me putting on the makeup. I know that this one was a little bit more confusing and stuff. But, so this is the finished look. So when you're done, my lighting here is kind of shaky. So, it will look like your face is really shiny and it looks natural-ish. But it does look really good. So, that was the Shiny Sheer makeup tutorial. Make sure to give this a like, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye CC Squad!